Alright guys, I just took a little dip in the pool and I think I'm gonna go rent an ATV now. Let's go explore the islands, be a little bit adventurous, because what's better than just having full freedom, right? Oh. You'll notice the roads here actually really tight. You can see how close these cars get. Oh my god. You gotta really watch yourself. I don't really have a lot of space here. Unfortunately, the first ATV place I went to was all booked out. This is actually a common problem you'll experience if you come to these popular islands here in Greece. Unfortunately, everything books up really fast. So I'd recommend perhaps booking an ATV or a car rental before you actually show up here, especially during the busy seasons in summer. So that's something to keep in mind for next time. All right, let's attempt to cross this busy road because I see a rental place right there. So let's go. I'm gonna get my chance, guys. Just wait. You gotta be patient. Good things happen to those who wait. All right, I see an opportunity. It's time to take it. Paros Drive, rentals, transfers, and tours. Do you have ATV rental here? If possible, yeah.
ATV aquí.
No ATV? Only motorbike?
No motorbike.
Oh, no motorbike. ATV also no. So nothing here?
Nothing.
Do you know where else I can go maybe?
And two left.
Oh, two left. Okay.
Okay.
Not one,
Down,
two.
No, two.
Okay.
Left and down and left. Okay.
Thank you so much, my friend. Double left. All right, let's see if I understood that. I guess we're close to the port here. Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
Perfect.
Do you have ATVs for rental?
For how long you want it?
Just for today, and then I bring back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what time?
Tomorrow, whatever time works for you. I'm here for 3 days, so for me it's no problem. Whatever time.
Ah, you need it only for 1 day because maybe you can take it for more days.
I might want to take it for again tomorrow. But can I start for today, and then I think I'm gonna take it again tomorrow. But just in case we leave like to empty Paros, I don't know what we're doing.
Okay, okay. 80 euro the white one.
Yep, I take the white one. That's fine.
Okay.
How many? I know it's 300 cc. I think, right?
200.
Oh, that's
the
fine.
White one,
That's
and
fine.
the other is
That's
450.
fine.
It's 100.
I don't need to go like super fast. Or anything.
Okay. I need the driving license.
Yes. Let me grab everything out of my bag. Ah, I see you guys. TripAdvisor 2022. Look at that.
But we try.
You guys are the best.
No,
The best.
I tell you, we are honest.
Oh, that's good. I appreciate that very much.
That is, I think, the thing that the people want from us.
I know you're doing very good here, but I'll put, in the video, I'll come to visit this place to get your ATV. Yeah, I'm just happy I don't have to walk anymore. Been
You
walking.
need something. You need something.
You need something
yes.
here.
In Paros, yes, it
With
looks
these
like small
two
island,
are-
but it's not small.
Of course not, yes. Not small enough to walk
And
around.
you see more places. The town is nice, but
Of
you
course.
see the beaches and
Of course. I want the freedom. I like me to have the freedom to go wherever I want, whenever, so...
I need signature
this.
here.
Yes, let me put this
you.
down. Perfect, okay. And this
Do
is
you know
mine.
approximately the size?
I mean, I have a very small head, so I don't know.
Okay.
Whatever will fit me. Let's see. Give me like a small one.
Something like medium, I
Yeah,
think.
medium, small, it's fine, no problem.
This one, what is it? Follow me.
Looking like a stallion. And this is her.
Yeah, we go over there. We're having the same.
Okay,
We look on the road.
perfect. It's been a while since I rode an ATV. See if I still got it. Yes, explain.
You.
Let me see, how does this work
How
again?
it works? Why someone moved the seat? I don't know.
I ride before, but I forget, long time ago.
Hey, it's automatic. The only thing that you want is to have both hands on the wheel.
I understand.
And because Paros roads,
Yes.
sometimes it's like this.
Yes.
It's old roads, and when you go straight, it's like if you go
Yes.
on the right of the road and it's like this, maybe you go inside and the quad
Got it, I
stay in the
understand.
middle of the road.
Okay, no
That's
problem.
all.
No
the
problem.
mist, the secret.
Yes.
So, turn on the key.
Yes.
Here, as you can see,
The brake.
the brake is work like a parking brake.
Yes.
Release, moving.
Okay.
grab back, put this inside, secure.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so turn on the key. We release the handbrake and we hold it. And we push here.
I understand. Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
The accelerator is here.
Yes.
Forward position, we go forward.
Yep.
Reverse position, we go back.
I understand.
Front brake, and if you sit on the quad, down on your leg
Yes.
exists the back brake.
Show me again.
Yes.
Sorry, what is it? Let me see.
The foot brake is the back brake.
This is for the back.
Yes.
Okay.
So when you drive, you have to push
At the
together.
same time. Okay.
Yes.
I understand.
Now you find your destination. You work. You park the quad. Take
Yes.
off the key. Take the key. Hold this back. Put this inside. Secure the
Okay.
quad.
Okay. I understand.
That's all.
Okay. Easy.
So you leave from that direction straight up. Make
Yes.
a stop for benzina. because
Oh, okay, we need
quad
some
is
gas.
empty.
Okay.
Yes, you need it.
Okay.
And what else I have to tell you? Tell the thing. The red button.
Yes. What is this?
Emergency stop.
Okay.
The quad never start. Remember this. Be outside. And you're ready.
I understand.
That's all.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. That's
Enjoy.
it. Thank you very much, my friend.
See
I
you
very, very appreciate
13.
it. See you soon. Have
You
a good
too.
day. Bye bye. All right. Very cool. All right. Let's go for a rip, guys. I don't know how I'm going to film while driving. Maybe I can't, but I'll find a way. First things first. I'm gonna go fill up some gas. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, let's go explore a little bit through these tight alleyways. Apologize for my helmet hair. I just got off my ATV, so let's go see. This is exactly what you think when you think Greece. Cobblestone roads, white buildings, blue doors. Greece, right? This is it. Wow, beautiful. I'm assuming people do live here, right? This isn't all for show. Question is, would you guys live here? Be honest. 'Cause I know it looks beautiful. Maybe you'd have a house here, but would you live here? Full-time type of thing. Mine is the tourist on the island. Basically just scampering through your backyard, being annoying with video cameras, and yeah, so tough life. But I'm sure once upon a time this island was not flooded with tourists, and the people that inhabited it were probably very much enjoying it until we all showed up. At least for those people, they can put up their homes for Airbnb, make a shit ton of money. So with the tourists came opportunities. Really is beautiful though, isn't it? Lovely, absolutely lovely. Let's go. And the best part is it's surprisingly not busy. I thought these alleyways would be flooded with people, but I'm not sure everybody is. It's just such a serene experience, isn't it? So beautiful. I wish I could like see the inside of someone's home. Hi. Maybe I'll get lucky. Someone will just invite me into their home. Probably not though. Do I look like a friendly face you can trust? Ooh, pretty flowers. Pretty flowers. Which direction do I go? There's just so many. It's just, it's all beautiful. Getting lost in these roads is a fun experience for sure. Hey, doggy. There's not really much to do in this specific area besides just exploring. Can you go up there? It's definitely somebody's house. And the cool thing is a lot of the Greek islands just look like this. There are even some that people, I have no doubt, some that people don't know about. I mean, Greece has over like 1,000 or 2,000 islands or something. And I imagine the people inhabit the other islands have houses similar to this maybe, I'm not sure. If you could find one that doesn't see much tourists, it would be a lot more fun, I think, to explore, because it hasn't been spoiled yet, right? So I hate filming people from their homes, so we'll refrain from doing that. Oh, look at this cute tiny little door. I wonder where that leads. There's a beautiful little setup here. These doors are all so small. Look at this one. You hear the piano. Someone's watching some Greek soap opera. I guess that's what you do when you're here in Paros. Wow, this is so beautiful, isn't it? You could just walk these streets for hours. You could just walk these alleyways for hours. I'm a little bit concerned because I am lost. I am actually lost though. Let's try and make our way out of here. Alright, well, let's get out of here and maybe hop back on the ATV. But other than that, I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, if you come to this island, it's a fairly small island. You can probably get around in like a couple of hours. on like a car, an ATV, and food is amazing, the restaurants are amazing, scenery is amazing. It's just, it does get very, very busy in certain areas, but there are other islands that might be less touristy, offering the exact same sort of vibes and views. So I guess you guys can check out some of those. One noticeable I'm going to is called Naxos, and that's supposed to have not a lot of people. So look at that view, beautiful.